guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the Nike Craft general purpose shoe. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you'll never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, we want to see those likes, it helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. I just want to take the time and opportunity to thank our subscribers new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this, so thank you. Let's go, and today I'm really excited because this is the first pair of SACHS Nike Crafts that I've ever owned. We got the general purpose shoe in the dark sulfur colorway. And we got this in a UK size 7.5, it's European 42, and that's a US men's 8.5, and a women's US 10. So I just want to mention the box is so dope. Let's just have a little look of this. Got the Nike Craft, SACHS general purpose, Nike Craft there as well. For those that don't know, SACHS is an artist, and he famously did the Mars Yards Nikes, which are probably one of the greatest silhouettes ever made in the past decades. Another general purpose shoe, it was in the white and blue. I was unable to get that, but this yellow dark sulfur one I was able to grab from Offspring, and I picked it up from Selfridges. Really easy. Well, the process is just go in and collect it, I guess. But I'm really excited because it was my first pair of SACHS. Obviously, like a lot of you sneakerheads out there, if you're a sneakerhead watching this, I'm pretty sure you'd love to own a pair of the Mars Yards, the first editions. Also, they came out with the second one where there was like astronaut kind of shroud over it, and as I mentioned before, the white and blue version of this general purpose shoe. So let's get opening. And here they are. So we'll start with the outsole, and this is an all rubber outsole, waffle print, as a lot of Nike running sneakers have. And you got the Nike Craft logo. Let's just flip that over there. So you got the Nike Craft logo on the heel as well. The midsole unit, so it's a rubber cup sole, and it encompasses an EVA foam that's inside. Unfortunately, there's not a Nike air bubble or anything inside this sneaker. And the upper is made out of a variety of materials. So you can see your levers around the toe box and around the heel as well. And you can see that the TPU plastics, heat press plastics are on there. You can see it in this yellow as well. And the mesh, so the mesh itself is breathable and waterproof, which is great. And you got a heat pressed Nike swoosh as well on the medial and the lateral sides. So for those wondering what general purpose shoes mean, it is SACHS and Nike Crafts, Nike as well, is their shoe to wear every day. Obviously, loads of people buy tons of shoes, and this has the idea that you can wear this every single day, and this is probably the only shoe you need. And I like that aspect. It kind of diminishes any waste of purchasing shoes, excessive shoes, because with that said, you know, you can wear, essentially you can wear the shoe every day and probably not purchase another one. But I'm lying to myself if I said I'm gonna just, you know, wear this shoe. I've got tons of shoes, but I'm gonna try my best and try my best to wear this every single day. Let's get some more into the details. I'm digressing right here. So at the tongue, you got like an original Nike logo there, swoosh, flat laces, nicely padded tongue as well. And at the back it says SACHS. Got a pull tab here at the front. You know, it isn't that greatly padded. You got padding at the heel, but it's kind of flimsy on the collar of your ankles. The insole, you got a foam insole in that same dark sulfur yellow with the Nike Craft logo there. At the heel, again, so you can see the suedes, the Nike embossed logo there in the black, and a pull tab as well. So with all that said, I'm really excited to try these on for you guys. I'm so happy I was able to get a pair because obviously I would love to have a pair of the Mars yards, even the first general purpose shoe, but in this yellow, I think I could pull it off, especially if I'm going to try and wear this every day, as I've mentioned. And yeah, I'm really excited to try these on, let you know what the sizing is like and how it fits, how it feels, all that jazz. So, you know, roll out footage of me trying these general purpose shoes on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend probably you should get a half size down to what you usually wear for Nike. I only say that because it feels very flimsy, so there's a lot of space around the heel at the back of the shoe. So it kind of, there's like my heel kind of lifts. But other than that, these are really dope. They look really cool on. Have full intentions of wearing these every days. And yeah, so hopefully you see me on the streets wearing these general purpose shoes. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. That's on Instagram. Till next time, peace.